once we start to bring any kindness to ourselves, then we can start to have the experience of when we open all the times when we weren't loved, all the times when we weren't good enough, all the times when we felt unacceptable, they start to come up and we experience these.
But there was something particular about immersing myself in this material. I was really astonished at how much there was that I was kind of holding almost below the radar, that wasn't fully in awareness, but was definitely informing my whole sense of myself in life.